Guys, today we have Xiaomi Redmi 7A LCD replacement. Screen smashed under the car. Remove SIM card slot. Can start pushing using your nails or any plastic tools to remove the screen from the frame and the back cover. There is no screws that you need to take them out. Okay, it's out. Now what we are going is to remove all the screws from the up, remove battery flex cable, and then charging board flex cable, and then the LCD flex cable. Remove all screws from down. You can remove the ringer using a plastic tool or metal. Use it carefully. Don't make a very high push. Remove flex cable, connect the charging board with the main board, and this is the flex cable of the screen, and the small one is the touch screen, responsible for the touch screen. We need to heat a little so we can remove the charging board. You can heat at 200 Celsius degree for a few seconds so the adhesive under the charging board can be easy to be removed. Okay, easy and gentle, don't push so hard. Remove antenna wire. There's a screw to remove it, so then you can remove the board easily. You can heat the LCD at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds, so you can remove it. It's broken, so you can just remove it. Just caution with the glass. It could injure you hardly. Caution. You can just watch me on how to remove it. The professional thing always is to clean all over the border from glass and dust before you attach the new LCD. Any small piece of glass could easily break the new one, or when you assemble the device, the screen won't fit perfectly. So always and always make a good and perfect clean. Okay, now I just want to test the new LCD before full assemble. As you saw, I didn't put any glue. I just wanted to test. Let's test. Power the device on, and now let's test. You can move, just grab something with your finger, write something to make sure all the buttons are working, and that's it. All good. Now we can make the full assemble. Remove the sticker and attach the flex cable to the back, and we need to make this to the touch flex cable. There is no double face under it, so we need to put double face under it. Adhesive double face. Okay. Remove the sticker and attach it. I use glue T8000. Put the glue all over the border, just on the border. You don't have to put anything in the middle, just on the frame. Now attach the new LCD in perfect position and press. Don't press so much. Now all you need is to put all the pieces back where it belongs. And that was for today. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. See ya. like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.